In this video, we will be comparing the words 觉得 and 以为. Both words 觉得 and 以为 can mean to think or to feel in English, but they are used differently in Chinese. Here's how they are compared. 觉得 means to feel or think. It communicates a subjective opinion or perception. Its function is to express personal feelings, opinions, or perceptions. Its use is often based on intuition, emotion, or a sensory experience. It does not imply a strong belief or potential mistake. And finally, it is used for present or ongoing thoughts. Let's take a look at some examples for 觉得. The first example we have is 我觉得今天很热. I feel that it is very hot today. The second example we have is 他觉得这个电影很有趣. He thinks this movie is very interesting. The third example we have is 你觉得怎么样? What do you think? Now, let's take a look at 以为. The definition of 以为 is thought but was wrong. It expresses a misconception or a wrong assumption. It is used when someone thought something was true but later realized it was wrong. Its use often implies a mistaken belief or an assumption. It usually refers to past thoughts, not present opinions. It is similar to how we say in English, I thought, but now I know it's not true. Here are some examples for 以为. The first example we have is 我以为今天是星期五. I thought today was Friday, but it is not. The second example we have is 他以为我不喜欢他. He thought I didn't like him, but he was wrong. And the third example we have is 我以为你会来. I thought you would come, but you didn't. Now, here is a side-by-side comparison of the two words. The word 觉得 means to feel or think. It does not imply a mistake, and it refers to the present or ongoing time. Its usage is for personal opinions or perception. 以为 means thought but was wrong. It does imply a mistake, and it refers to the past. Its usage is for a mistaken belief. Here is a comparative example that puts the two words in the same context. When we use 觉得, we can say 我觉得他很聪明, which means I think he is smart. This specifically expresses an opinion. On the other hand, when we use 以为, we can say 我以为他很聪明. I thought he was smart. This specifically expresses the assumption that he was smart. At the same time, this also implies that the assumption was wrong, meaning that he was in fact not smart. Now, here is a guideline that you can use to help you decide when to use which word. You should use 觉得 for expressing present thoughts, feelings, or opinions, and when there is no mistake or wrong assumption that is implied. You should use 以为 when expressing past thoughts that turned out to be wrong. Now, let's take a look at some real-life examples in the form of dialogues. In a conversation using 觉得, person A could say, 你觉得这家餐厅怎么样? What do you think of this restaurant? Person B could respond, 我觉得很好吃. I think it's delicious, expressing just an opinion and no mistake. And in a dialogue using 以为, person A could ask, 你今天怎么没带伞? Why didn't you bring an umbrella today? And person B could respond with, 我以为不会下雨. I thought it wouldn't rain, but it did, expressing a wrong assumption. Please like and subscribe to watch more videos like this with us at Toronto Chinese Academy.